So there are different network types. We have local area network, which is also known as LAN. We have metropolitan area network, which is also known as MAN. Then we have wide area network, which is also known as WAN. Then we have personal area network, which is also known as PAN. Then we have campus area network, which is also known as CAS. We will discuss about these different network types one by one in detail. We will start with LAN. What is LAN here? It is a collection of devices connected together in one physical location, such as office or building. So LAN is nothing but it is a connection of two or more devices in the same location. Let us say you are having 4 PCs in the same location, and you have connected these 4 PCs to a network here. It will form the LAN, local area network. As the name suggests, we are talking something about local devices should be available locally. So we can connect the devices in a small building with 10 to 20 pieces. Okay, a small room, you can say small office with 10 to 20 pieces, or it can be a building with 100 to 500 pieces. So devices, the pieces or computers are connected in the same location. This is the local area network. Okay, in this example, if you see, we are having 6 computers, 6 pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and one server is connected. All these devices are in the same location and it is forming the LAN here, local area network. Then we have metropolitan area network or MAN. So MAN is the interconnection of two or more LAN in the same city. Let us say in London, okay, in London you have two different LANs. In the same city, you are having two different LANs, and if you are connecting these two different LANs in the same city, it will form the metropolitan area network. And the range of this metropolitan area network is from 50 kilometers to 100 kilometers. Okay, so LANs connected in the same city, it is known as metropolitan area network. Then we are having wide area network. So wide area network, again, it is also a collection of LANs over a great geographical distance. Here, let us say you are having two different LANs in two different cities. Okay, one LAN is in Hyderabad, another LAN is in Bangalore. Okay, so in Hyderabad LAN, we are having 3 PCs, one IP phone, and one server. They are all connected to a network and it is forming the LAN here. In Bangalore, also we are having 3 PCs, one IP phone, one server. They are all connected to the network and it is forming the Bangalore LAN. Okay, so these two LANs are in different cities, and if you are connecting these two different LANs over a great geographical distance, or if you are connecting these two different LANs from two different cities or two different countries also, it will form the wide area network or WAN. Okay, metropolitan area network, two different LANs in the same city. Wide area network, two different LANs from two different cities or two different countries. The best example of a wide area network is the internet. Internet is also a WAN, but internet is a public WAN. Public WAN in the sense anyone can connect to the internet. Then we have personal area network or PAN. So when you connect your personal devices within 10-meter range called PAN. Okay, let us say you are having your personal devices like computer, smartphone, tablet, printer, etc. Okay, and you are connecting all your personal devices within this 10-meter range, then it is known as PAN here. Okay, so if you see, you are connecting your personal devices within a limited range of 10 meter here, and it is forming the personal area network. This connection can be either wireless or through cable. So you can connect your personal devices either through wireless like Bluetooth, or you can connect your personal devices through cable. It will form the personal area network, and the limit is 10 meter. Okay, the range of this personal area network is 10 meters. Then we are having one more type of network called campus area network, which is also known as CAN. So a CAN is a network that connects local area networks in different buildings that are fairly close to each other. Okay, so you might have visited any universities. There you will see multiple buildings. Each building is having its own LAN. If you are connecting the LANs of these buildings with each other, it is forming the campus area network. Okay, so campus area network or CAN is larger than LAN, but it is smaller than WAN, which covers the area up to 5 kilometers. It is also known as campus network, corporate area network. It is typically seen in universities and corporations. So you might have visited the universities. There you will see multiple buildings. In this example, if you see, we are having building 1, building 2, building 3. Then we are having a hostel zone and residential zone. So students sitting in the building 1 or students sitting in the hostel zone, they can access the internet, they can access the library. Okay. Students sitting again in the residential zone, they can access the library, they can access the internet. And it is forming the campus area network here. And if you see here, the range is up to 5 kilometers.